Marketing to your customers through email, a guide. You've probably never heard the term email marketing before, but more than likely you have seen it. It's everywhere. Your favorite companies have more than likely sent you a message telling you about a product. This is email marketing in its purest form. Does this sound like something you would want to use? Granting that it is, then continue watching. Try following up to your clients with a FAQ section. Include a link onto your email that says to click here to view the frequently asked questions in order for them to have a better understanding of your company. The concluding postscript could inform them to make sure they see you in action. Never add emails to your email list without permission from the subscriber. If you add people to your list that do not want to be there, it will make your business look bad. If your email provider receives numerous complaints, they may decide to drop you as a client. Remember that you are working on enhancing your reputation when you're developing your email marketing campaign. Never take shortcuts, aim for the wrong audience, or use any kind of deception. It's your reputation at stake, and you must remember that at all times. Don't get yourself in trouble by not getting permission. This is spamming and you could be penalized for it, as well as having all your mail refused, which could damage your business irrevocably. By getting permission to use email marketing, you will be creating positive relationships with customers who will keep coming back. After countless times of encountering email marketing, you finally know what it is. Put simply, it's using the medium of emails to send messages either current customers or future customers for the sole purpose of marketing to them. Now that you know what it is, make use of it in your own emails. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.